Hey there, homeowners! Today, let's talk about upgrading your kitchen with some stunning sink and stone countertop ideas. Ready to transform your space? Let's dive in. First up, integrated sinks. These beauties offer a seamless look that blends perfectly with your stone countertops. Whether you choose granite, marble, or quartz, an integrated sink will make your kitchen feel sleek and modern. Next, undermount sinks. These are a game changer for easy cleaning. No more crumbs getting stuck at the edges. Plus, they create a clean, uninterrupted surface that's both practical and stylish. And who can resist the charm of a farmhouse sink? These classic designs add character and personality to your kitchen. They're deep and spacious, perfect for all your cooking and cleaning needs. When it comes to materials, stainless steel is a popular choice for its durability and easy maintenance. But don't overlook composite or ceramic options. They bring unique textures and colors to your design. Proper sink placement is crucial for an efficient workflow. Think about your cooking habits and how you move around the kitchen. A well-placed sink can make all the difference. To elevate the design even further, consider decorative elements like backsplashes and faucets. These small touches can tie your whole kitchen together and add a touch of elegance. And don't forget about maintenance. Gentle cleaning methods and preventative care will keep your stone countertops and sinks looking their best for years. So there you have it. Thoughtfully incorporating modern sink designs into your stone countertops will transform your kitchen into a beautiful and functional space. Ready to get started? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Stay inspired and happy renovating.